It is 2024 and we will be participating in the January No Spend Challenge. If you haven't heard of the No Spend Challenge, essentially we are cutting back spending from all non-essential categories. Shoes, clothes, gadgets, tech, and quite possibly the hardest category I always struggle with, eating out. So it's okay to spend on essential categories, things you need to live, for example, mortgage or a rent, utilities, car payments, gas, transportation, and groceries. So why am I doing this? A couple of reasons. First, I love a challenge. I love seeing what I'm capable of. And if I succeed this challenge, I could probably do another no spend month and reach my financial goals faster. The second reason, the holidays hurt, okay? November and December is filled with gatherings, going out with friends and family, buying gifts for one another. It's just a lot of spending left and right. And my bank account needs a break from all of that spending. And lastly, a big reason why I want to do this is last year I made the transition to quit my 9-to-5 job to become self-employed full-time. And with losing that job, I have more freedom, but now I also lack the stability of knowing how much comes in each month. Now that I'm self-employed, I no longer know how much I'm making today, tomorrow, the next month. The only thing I can really forecast are my monthly clients that pay me each month and are on a UGC basis. But in terms of sponsorships and brand deals and affiliate marketing, I have no idea what I'm going to bring in. I'm excited to see what I can do with not a lot of money, what kind of free entertainment I can find, what kind of budget meals I can come up with that are delicious. And not only that, I'm actually really excited to know that I'm not doing this challenge alone. I solicited 2 of my friends to participate in this challenge with me, and I'm excited to see our successes, our challenges, our struggles, and also just do some cool free stuff with them. I thought it would be a good idea to show you an inventory of what we already have and what I'm going to be eating before I go out to the grocery. So right off the bat, I think that me and my husband can have a pizza night because we have this pizza crust, we have the Prego we can put on, and we have some vegan cheese already. We do have leftover salad, which I can eat. I do have tofu and a lettuce wrap, so I can make fresh rolls with that. We have some persimmons, some apples, bell pepper, celery. I can make a vegetable stir fry right there. Moving on to the freezer. So I'm vegan, but my husband has orange chicken. We have vegan chicken nuggets and chicken patties. We have vegan cheese pizza pockets and other kind of pockets. We have sausage links. We have a lot of frozen fruit. So we have bananas, cherries, and blueberries that I can make smoothies with. So here's the blueberries, the cherries. We have corn. And we have other vegetables here too. So we have another pizza sauce that we can use. We have pinto beans. We have 3 different soups. We also have vegetable broth, hot chili powder. We have a lot of potatoes. So we have golden potatoes and we have sweet potatoes. As a last resort, I have 10 packets of ramen. Okay, so actually right now it's January 2. I just realized I already messed up. January 1, we went to Topgolf. We will really be doing it for 30 days. In terms of January 2, I haven't spent a thing. So for breakfast, I had coffee and then I had lunch at 11 and I just made like a instant curry. It's 3 p.m. So I took the frozen vegetables, I heated up with rice, and I'm just snacking on that. For dinner, we're probably gonna make a pizza. So it's 5:36 p.m. My husband just came and it looks like he got some goodies, some leftovers from lunch for free, an apple, banana, and I forgot to tell him not to go to the grocery store. He went and picked up a whole bag of rice, which that's okay because it is groceries, so we are allowed to spend there, but he got a whole bag of rice, and he also picked up a vegan pizza from Grocery Outlet, which costed $3.99. I told him after today that we're gonna try to not go to the groceries until we clear out our fridge, so no more mistakes there. But I'm excited to eat pizza with him and watch the movie The Family Plan because we have not finished that. This is the pizza he bought from Grocery Outlet. That was $3.99. It's all vegan and it is a mushroom lover's pizza. I love mushrooms. A little taste test. There you go. This is day 1. I will see you on day 2.